They say all good things come in small packages, but I don't believe it. Sometimes bigger is just better. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button right now and turn on that little bell to receive notifications. Now, we've teamed up with our friends at Cooler Master and ASRock to bring you something very, very special to celebrate the launch of the new AMD 2000 series CPUs. So yeah, let's go and build. Video is proudly brought to you by Cooler Master and the Master Case H500P mesh in white, featuring two absolutely giant 200mm front fans for maximum airflow and a tempered glass side panel so you can see all of your things. Find out more in the link in the description. I feel like I'm constantly pushing this box around. All right, let's get the Master Case H500P mesh in white unboxed. Very excited. Check this out. It's got this box full of like brackets and RGB goodies. Wow, that's awesome. Sweet. I actually don't know what's in this at all. This is the first time I'm opening with you guys right now. I haven't looked at it. All right, what's next? What? Okay, this looks like it's gonna be easy to take out. Take this guy off first. Oh, this is in like a Hessian bag. Look at that, it's got handles. You guys killed it with this. Little bit of help here, Claire. Claire's gonna be in the video. Thank you, my love. Woohoo! Okay, well, yeah, let's get it opened up so we can begin this awesome build. I'm so excited! Sorry. Alright, so let's get into building this guy. The motherboard that we're going to be using for this board is the ASRock X470 Tai Chi. That's right, we're going balls to the wall Ryzen 2700X. So for storage, we're not doing anything too crazy for this build. Just kidding. We're using a Samsung 1TB 960 EVO M.2 NVMe drive. Oh yeah. We're cooling the CPU with the Cooler Master Master Liquid ML240R RGB. If you want to know how to install this, we actually have an installation guide for Intel sockets in the top right hand corner right now. We will have a full AMD installation guide coming in the next few days. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Now that the motherboard's done, let's put it inside the H500P mesh. H500P mesh has two motherboard mounting pegs so your board doesn't fall out when you're trying to install it. is the Gigabyte G1 Gaming GTX 1080. We're mounting it with the Cooler Master vertical PCIe GPU mounting bracket. Special thank you to Cooler Master and ASRock for supporting this project. Without them, this project probably wouldn't have happened. We hope you enjoyed our first Ryzen 2700X build for 2018. We do actually have a few more videos featuring this machine coming in the next few weeks, so make sure you subscribe with notifications turned on. We didn't want to get into the numbers right now because we're still experimenting, and also when we do reviews of products, we really like to be educated with the product. So yeah, give us some time and we'll give you the right information. If you're interested in the parts that we use for this build, all of them can be found in the description below. There's affiliate links for all of them, so if you use those to purchase any of the products, we get a small kickback, and that helps directly support the channel. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, tell us what you didn't like about it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comment section. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek, we out.